Welcome back to another video. Long time no see, YouTube. If you can't tell, we are at a bug bash here in Farmington Dragway. One of many Volkswagens we'll be seeing in this video. So yeah, long time no see. I know it's been a while, and but yeah, we'll be checking out Volkswagens and all their stuff. Yeah, the Meco. Yeah. Check out the Pro Mod Volkswagen. Fuel cell in the front. I'm gonna check this out. This is honestly up my alley. Something like this, stanced. Oh, dude, that one's sick. That black one, that one's nice. Yeah, this is sick. This is up my alley. I love the wheels on it. Yeah, those are sick. It's like at the Herbie car. Yeah, there is. I guess this thing out. Got like a little trailer on top. I like the patina on this one. I'm a big patina guy. Yeah. It was really nice.
I did too after I realized it was told us to the left instead of the right.
It's like the buggy section.
Let's get out one.
I got the drive pack on the buggies.
Yeah, that's one of the guys in the opposite. Because you're out
These things got a lot of flake on them, on the frames and stuff. Oh, dude, off-road setup on the buggy. That's freaking. That's sick. I like this. You got the Fox shocks, bro. Dang. Also, last clip y'all saw, freaking camera got hot. It's mighty hot today. Bunch of buses.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. I go around and check this bus out. I like the look of this one. Got a little bike on top. It's pretty sick. Yeah, this one's pretty sick. This one's sick. Check out the fender. Oh. That's freaking, that's the Joker, bro. Dude, that's sick. They painted the Joker on the fender. This yellow one. See if I can get a thumbnail. No, ain't that bad, bruh. On the RPF ones, not that bad, man. I mess with it. This one ain't that bad, man. I like the color on this one. This one's nice, man. Same thing with this one. So this one's white. And I know everybody uses RPF ones, but I think they're a really nice wheel. I think they can make any car look good. But granted, I know everybody uses them, and some people think they're overrated, but I like RPF ones. Check out the doors. What does it say? Okay. It's nice. Got the buses leaving. No, this is a funny looking Volkswagen. I didn't know VWs made Corvettes. That's pretty sick though. For funny looking Volkswagen. These are funny looking Volkswagens. Uh-oh. Don't run me over. Yeah. These are funny looking Volkswagens. I didn't know they made Volkswagens. On the slicks, son. On the slicks. This thing's slick too. Yeah, at least this thing is gutted. What? That thing fixing to make a pass? Buddy is flying on that scooter. What in tarnation is this? It is some sort of Volkswagen. Like rolling around in royalty. This is. Man, dude's got a clock on the steering wheel. Blew through the line. let's see here. I think right here. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. This one's nice. It ain't got the AC. Old school AC. So the air goes through and then into the cab of the car.
You're gonna miss one. I'm telling you, can't. That record right there is hands down a great record.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to 4 races, at least 4 or 5 rounds at each race. You're going 20 times.